Hello everyone! Introducing myself, my name is Dwi Mayanti and you can call me Maya. Here I will explain about brain function. Enjoy the video! The brain is a vital and complex organ produced by the skull and brain membranes, meninges. It is made up of numerous tissues and billions of supporting nerve cells and is connected to the spinal cord. Together with the spinal cord and nervous, the brain is the center of the human semen and the nervous system. Some nerves in the brain go directly to specific part of the body, such as the eyes, ears, and other part of the head. However, some other nerves connected to part of the body through the spinal cord to control personality senses and other bodily functions such as breathing and walking. The brain is divided into three main parts, namely cerebrum, and brainstem. Cerebrum. The cerebrum is the largest part of the human brain anatomy. The function of the cerebrum is to regulate movement and coordination movement. Touch, vision, hearing, judgment, reasoning, problem solving, and then emotion and learning. The cerebrum consists of two hemispheres, namely the right brain and left brain. The right hemisphere has the function to control movement on the left side of the body, while the left hemisphere regulates movement on the right side of the body. Cerebellum. The cerebellum, there is a large brain, but there is also a small part of the brain called the cerebellum. It's the part of the brain located at the back and below the occipital tube. The function of the cerebellum is to control and coordinate movement, maintain balance, and maintain posture. Brainstem is in front of the cerebellum and is the part connected to the spinal cord. This part of the brain contains nerve fiber that carry signal to and from all parts of the body. In addition, the brainstem also regulates bodily functions such as heart rate, blood pressure, and breathing. The human brainstem consists of three structures, namely the midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata. The thalamus. The thalamus is the part of the human brain that is located at the very center or above the brainstem. This brain structure acts as a gatekeeper for message passing between the spinal cord and the cerebral hemispheres. Hypothalamus. The hypothalamus is a small structure that is also located in the midbrain. Just below the thalamus, this part of the brain plays a role in controlling bodily function such as eating, sexual behavior, and sleep, as well as regulating body temperature, emotion, hormone secretion, and movement. The ventricles space or squiddies inside the brain containing brain fluid are called cerebrospinal fluid. There are four ventricular chambers that are connected to each other by narrow channels or passages. Cell structure of the human brain. The brain consists of two types of cells, namely neurons and glia cells. Neurons play a role in sending and receiving nerve impulses or signal, while glia cells provide support and nutrition, maintain homeostasis from myelin and facilitate signal transmission in the nervous system. Brain injury is a brain-related injury that affects a person physically, emotionally, and attitudinally. There are two possible forms of injury: traumatic and non-traumatic. Traumatic injuries are generally caused by external factors such as accidents, falls, and so on, while non-traumatic injuries occur due to damage to the brain caused by internal factors such as lack of oxygen. Some examples of non-traumatic injuries include stroke, meningitis, encephalitis, seizures, brain tumor, and so on. Dementia and Alzheimer's. Dementia is a syndrome that involves memory loss and decline in intellectual function, severe enough to interfere with an individual's ability to perform routine tasks. While Alzheimer's disease is the most common form of dementia and progresses fastest in the elderly. Mental disorders, also known as psychiatric illnesses, are medical conditions that develop and affect the brain.